Hey, Pipedrive users, hope you guys are doing well today. I am Matthew from iSales Solutions, and today I have just a very quick but very important update regarding emailing in Pipedrive. And that is now you have the ability to schedule emails for later. So just to show you what that looks like really quick, if you're in a deal file, person file, organization file, also lead file, you're now able to hit the email button, draft your message, and then instead of hitting the green send button, you can hit this down arrow, hit send later, and you can choose your time. As you can see here, you're able to choose a determined time, tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, Monday morning, or you can create a custom time down here below. It's important to note that all of these times are based off of your time zone. Just like everything else in Pipedrive, Pipedrive always shows you the time based on the time zone that your computer is registered in. Now, once you go to schedule an email, it will stay in the drafted section under the planned section of your deal file or contact file. And you'll also find it in your outbox, right? If you go to the outbox, you'll see it right here under your scheduled email section. And you're also able to edit it and save it as a draft, or just completely delete it if you want, just by clicking on the email itself and then hitting these three dots here and saying you either want to cancel and move to drafts or cancel and delete. All right. Now, not only can you create these emails from the deal file or contact file, you can also do it right here in Pipedrive. Just hit, in the inbox, just hit the compose button, and then the same type of thing. You can send whatever message you want, and then you can hit send later and choose when you like to send that message. All right, so that's it for today. I just thought it'd be very helpful for you guys to be aware of the now schedule email feature in Pipedrive. If you have any questions about Pipedrive, feel free to reach out to me or leave a comment for the video. Also remember to like, to subscribe, and share the channel with other Pipedrive users. Thanks.